On March 7, 2025, the Indian stock markets opened with slight declines, reflecting ongoing concerns over U.S. trade tariffs. The Nifty 50 index dipped by 0.29% to 22,481.75, while the BSE Sensex fell 0.32% to 74,108.62. The IT sector led the downturn with a 0.7% drop as investors grapple with uncertainty surrounding U.S. tariff policies. Interestingly, while the broader market sentiment remains cautious, the financial sector showed resilience. The auto index even rose by 0.4%, buoyed by reports that eliminating import duties on U.S. cars wouldn't significantly impact Indian manufacturers. As 10 out of 13 major sectors face declines, all eyes on the upcoming U.S. labor market data and a crucial speech from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. These developments could steer global markets in the days ahead. The landscape is tense, but the financial services sector remains a key player in assessing market health amidst these challenges.